Hello dear job seekers. BPO sector work from home employment opportunities are available in SAARATHEE for skilled visually impaired or low vision aspirants. Skills are required. He/she should be well versed with English and Hindi verbal written communication. Candidate must have computer and internet knowledge. He/she should be able to use MS Office applications like MS Word, Excel and PPT efficiently. Job expectations. 1. The candidate should have computer facility with good ViFy connection. 2. He/she should be able to connect with the customer and present the product with enthusiasm. 3. Client servicing be the face of the organization for the client and managing relationship expectation. 4. Person having an experience in jewelry retail is also welcome for the interview. Note, this will essentially mean the person should be result-oriented and people-centric. Good communication and computer skills are must. Monthly salary, between 1,200 to 5,000 and incentives. Note, for this role, we will be evaluating the candidate on the basis of communication skill, their mindset and attitude. Suitable and interested candidates fulfilling above expectations can WhatsApp updated resume Satvir Jogi at 9,768,871,719, 11:31 am.